Joint sitting is an extraordinary machinery provided by the Constitution to resolve a deadlock between the two houses over the passage of a bill. A deadlock is deemed to have taken place under any of the following three situations after a bill has been passed by one house and transmitted to the other house. So, if a bill is rejected by the other house, if the house have finally disagreed as to the amendment has to be made in the bill, or if more than 6 months have elapsed, lapsed from the date of the receipt of the bill by the other house without the bill being passed by it. So if more than 6 months have elapsed, ठीक है, तो in the above three situations, the president can summon both the houses. Summon मतलब बुला सकते हैं both the houses to meet in the joint sitting for the purpose of deliberating and voting on the bill. So it must be noted here that the provision of joint sitting is applicable to ordinary bill or financial bill only. कहाँ तक है? Ordinary bill and financial bill only, and not to money bill. Money bill does not fall in this category. और constitutional amendment bill तो CAB पे भी अप्लाई नहीं होता है. So in the case of money bill, the Lok Sabha has overriding power, while a constitutional amendment bill must be passed by each house separately. So in reckoning the period of 6 months, no account can be taken by a period or any period during which the other house to which the bill has been sent is prorogued or adjourned for more than 4 consecutive days. No account can be taken of the period during which the other house to which the bill has been sent is prorogued or adjourned for more than 4 consecutive days. ये भी एक term है. Now the bill under dispute has already lapsed due to the resolution of Lok Sabha. No joint sitting can be summoned, but the joint sitting can be held if the Lok Sabha is dissolved after the president has notified his intention to summon such a sitting, as the bill does not lapse in this case. So after the president notifies his intention to summon a joint sitting of the two houses, none of the house can proceed further with the bill. So the Speaker of Lok Sabha preside over a joint sitting of the two houses and the Deputy Speaker in his absence. So if Deputy Speaker is also absent from joint sitting, the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha preside. लेकिन यहाँ पे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का कोई क्लॉज नहीं है, तो दिस शुड बी नोटेड. यहाँ पे गलती कर सकते हैं हम लोग. इफ ही इज आल्सो एब्सेंट, सच अदर पर्सन एज मे बी डिटरमाइंड बाय द मेंबर present at the joint sitting preside over the meeting. It is clear that chairman of Rajya Sabha does not preside over joint sitting as he is not a member of either house of parliament. समझ गए? तो क्यों नहीं है राज्यसभा का मेंबर? क्योंकि he is not a member of either house of parliament. That's why he is not perfect man to preside. Now the quorum to constitute a joint sitting is 1/10 of total number of member of two houses. Total number of members of two houses. Joint sitting is governed by rules of procedure of Lok Sabha and not of Rajya Sabha. तो ये किसके रूल्स ऑफ प्रोसीजर चल रहा है? बोथ रूल्स फॉर राज्यसभा? नहीं, ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है. Only Lok Sabha. If the bill is in dispute is passed by majority of total number of members of both the houses present voting in the joint sitting, the bill is deemed to have been passed by both the houses. Normally, the Lok Sabha greater number wins the battle in the joint sitting. यानी ज्वाइंट सिटिंग में लोकसभा राज्यसभा गया, जो वहां पे मेजोरिटी फॉर्म कर रहा है, यानी राज्यसभा का मेंबर कम है, अगर ज्वाइंट सिटिंग चला गया तो वो पास कर जाएगा. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज स्पेसिफाइड एट अ जॉइंट सिटिंग a new amendment to the bill cannot be proposed except two ways. Those amendments that have caused final disagreement between the houses and those amendments that have caused this final disagreement between the houses and those amendments that might have become necessary due to the delay in the passage of bill. Since 1950, the provision regarding the joint sitting of two houses has been evoked only thrice. The bill have been passed at joint sitting are Dowry Prohibition Bill 1960. Second आपका Banking Service Commission Bill 1977 and Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2002. So this much for joint sitting of Parliament. So there is a little bit confusion regarding this fourth one, Women's Reservation Bill 2008. और यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि mention as a refer to joint session and pass, though some sources focus on three means only. जैसे लक्ष्मीकांत में हम लोग देखा कि only these three are given there, and women reservation bill is not mentioned there. So refer to joint session and past. So women reservation bill we can mention in men's example. So this much for this video. Thank you.